Welcome back, coders. Let us set up VS Code for web development. First, open Chrome browser and search VS Code. And here is the first website. Download VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Here, select Windows 10, 11. Or if you are Mac user, you can select Mac OS. Click on Windows 10, 11. Okay. Here, our file is downloading. Let us wait for some time. Let it download. I already have downloaded this file here. Okay, double click on this file. And next, accept the agreement. Click on next. And location, keep it as manually default. Click on next. Click on next. Here, click on create a desktop icon. Add open with code. Click on all these checkboxes. Click on next. Okay, next, install. Now wait for some time. Our VS Code has installing. Okay. Okay, here click on finish. Okay. We have successfully downloaded our VS Code. Let us set up this VS Code for web development. First, we need to install the extensions to set the environment for web development. First, click on the extensions icon and search for live server. Live server. Live server is used to check the real-time output while doing the code. Okay, next we need to install Java snippets, JavaScript. JavaScript is main language, so that's why we are downloading the snippets. Snippets is known as the already developed functions in advance. Okay, that's it. Our setup has been completed. Let us create a simple project here. Okay, let us first create a folder. I'm creating a new folder here. I'm giving name new. Okay, let us open this folder in this VS Code. Open folder. Okay, desktop and new. Select folder. Okay, now here trust. Click on this new file icon. Now give the name as index.html. Every HTML file want to end with .html. Index is the first page that our VS Code takes. Okay, here is a short form to generate a boilerplate code. Click on exclamation mark. Okay, this is known as EMET abbreviation. Click on enter. Okay, our half of the code has been generated automatically. Okay, here in this body tag, we'll write the code for HTML. I am creating a div here. Okay, inside div, writing electronic coders hub. Electronic coders hub. Let us save and check the output. After saving this, here down we can see a symbol go live. Click on this. Okay, here we can see the electronic coder hub output has been came. So we have successfully set up the VS Code for web development. Thank you. In our channel, we provide the tutorials on web development. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials. If you like this video, share and subscribe to our channel.